Hi, my name is Mohr with Mohr Custom Knives, and today I'll be demonstrating my forge and my power hammer. I have a railroad spike in there right now. I'm going to use my power hammer to hammer it out. My spike's been in there for a few minutes, so you can see how hot it's getting. It looks about done. Always remember to wear your safety glasses. Hammered it out quite a bit from where we started from. Now we're going to take this and stick it back in our forge. You can find these forges at mohrcustomknives.com. Let that soak up another heat and we'll go another round. Let's talk about my power hammer. This is a contraption that it works excellent. It runs off of a half a horsepower motor. It runs off pulleys and belts that turn this. That picks up our hammer. You can control it with the foot pedal, and you can go as fast or as slow as you want. The switch came off of an old drill press that we had. So the next heat I'll show you how you can control it, make it go as fast or slow as you want. This time we're going to heat it the opposite way and make it a little bit thinner and a lot longer. So this looks like it's about done. We'll pull it out. So with two heats, you can see the dramatic difference that we have from the first original railroad spike and the one that we hammered out using the forge and the power hammer. So it worked really good. I'm very impressed with it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.